Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to install Tailwind CSS in Vite React JS. So, you can install Tailwind CSS as a Vite plugin in the most seamless way to integrate it with frameworks like Laravel, React Router, Next or Solid.js. So in order to do this, you'll have to first of all create a project. As you can see, you can start by creating a new Vite project if you don't have one set up already. The most common approach is to use create Vite option. So you'll have to type this command in the terminal, that is npm create Vite at latest my project and cd my project. Then install Tailwind CSS. So install the Tailwind CSS and Tailwind CSS /Vite via the npm. So type in this command, that is npm install Tailwind CSS @Tailwind CSS /Vite. Now, configure the Vite plugin. So add the Tailwind CSS /Vite plugin to your Vite configuration. Make sure that this configuration is done and import the Tailwind CSS by clicking on add an import option to your CSS file that imports Tailwind CSS. So just type in Tailwind CSS @import Tailwind CSS and start your building process. So you can run your build process with npm run dev or whatever command is configured in your package.json file, that is through npm run dev. Now, start using Tailwind in your HTML. So make sure that your compiled CSS is included in your head tag because your framework might handle this for you. Then start using Tailwind's utility classes to style your content just like this. So that is the simple way with which you can do this. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.